Good morning, children. How are you? How about your family? All are fine. Very good. Now let us start our social class. In this previous class, we learn about the landforms. Yes. In this today portion, we are going to learn about the oceans. Ocean means என்னது தமிழ் என்னமா சொல்லுவோம் பெருங்கடல். What is the ocean? பெருங்கடல். The earth looks blue when we see it from space. This is because 2/3 of it is covered by water. So the water is found in oceans and sea. So oceans are vast expanse of water. நிறைய தண்ணி இருக்கிற இடத்த நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம் oceans. So seas are also one of the water bodies, but it is a partially but fully enclosed by the land, as we studied the previously lessons also. Okay, there are 5 main oceans are there. What is that one? Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic oceans. Yes, is that no? Yeah, see, Pacific is one of the big oceans. They are given, say, big. Yes, 47% is covered by the Pacific oceans. Yes, see, ocean water is always make us our planet as a unique. Yes, so much of water in the oceans cover 71% of the earth waves. So oceans of the world are interconnected. This makes them very useful for the internal trade, as they form natural marine routes. Ocean water is saline or salty. So most of the southern hemisphere is covered by the ocean and seas. So that's why we can say watery hemisphere. See, in this ocean we have Pacific is a big ocean. Yes, it's one of the largest and deepest ocean on the earth. See, where the Pacific Ocean, where it is the location means, on one side are Asia and Australia, and another side North and South America. So in the north it links up to the Arctic in the south, and largely open and links of the Atlantic and the Indian Oceans. So its size is very large. So it covers almost 1/3 of the earth, and it's the deepest ocean. So this shape, the Pacific ocean shape is almost circular. In this Ferdinand Magellan is one of the European sailor. He only sailed from that oceans in 1517 AD. He gave it the name Pacific. அவர் தான் என்ன செஞ்சிருக்காரு, பசிபிக்னு பேர் வச்சிருக்காரு. அது என்ன அர்த்தமா? Which means peoples because of the gentle winds that blow there. So the deepest point of the earth safe is a marine trench in the 10,924, the below the sea level. Okay, so it is bordered as a new fold mountains with the large of Arctic volcanoes. So it is trenched by terminated by the fire of the Pacific. So harbors also is there. There are 2 harbors are there, that is Pacific or Los Angeles, means it is in US. In and Hong Kong also it is there in China. Okay, now you got it, children. See this picture. Pacific is the more biggest ocean. Yes, so it covers about 1/3 of the earth's total area. So it bounded as by the Asia and Australia. It is West and North America. South, it stretches from the Arctic Ocean இருந்து Southern Ocean வரைக்கும் என்ன செஞ்சுருக்கோம், போயிட்டுருக்கோம். சரியா? So okay, next, do you know, it's asked there, do you know if why is the highest point was plunged into the marine trench till there was a 2,400 meters water is left? So we mentioned that one. Yeah, this ocean shape is roughly triangular with its apex in the north at the Bering Strait, which connects the Pacific Ocean with the Atlantic Oceans. the Bering Sea, China Sea, Sea of the Japan, Tasman Sea, Philippine Sea, or some of the marginal seas of the Pacific Oceans. See, Indonesia, Philippines, Japan, High Valley, New Zealand are one of the island. It is located in the ocean. So deepest point of the ocean is water. That is the Marine Trench. It is located in the Pacific Oceans. So a chain of volcanoes is located around the Pacific Ocean. So we call Pacific Ring of Fire. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean on the earth. It covers 1/6 of the earth's total area and spreads for about 85.13. இது பவுண்டட் வந்து இது பக்கத்தில் இருக்குது அப்படின்னா நார்த் அமெரிக்காவுக்கும் சவுத் அமெரிக்கா வெஸ்ட்டில் இருக்குது, ஈரோப்புக்கும் ஆஃப்ரிக்கா ஈஸ்ட்டில் இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக் ஏ பசிஃபிக், இட் ஸ்ட்ரெச்சஸ் ஃப்ரம் த ஆர்க்டிக் ஓஷன் இன் த நார்த் டு த சவுத்தர்ன் ஓஷன் இன் த south. So that the same of the Atlantic Ocean resembles the letter S. S means what? The Strait of the Gibraltar connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Mediterranean Sea. So the Atlantic Ocean is the busiest shipping route between the eastern and the western hemisphere. So what is the deepest point in the Milwaukee Deep? Which has a depth of the 8,600 meter. So the Caribbean Sea, Gulf of Mexico, North Sea. So all the seas are one of the marginal seas of the Atlantic Ocean. So Helena, Newfoundland, Iceland, all the islands found in this ocean only. Okay. See, again I am saying to you where it is located means west lies South and North America, and it east lie Europe and Africa. So the ocean is shaped like a letter S. S மாதிரியே என்ன செய்யும் அட்லாண்டிக் இது வந்து இருக்கும். சரியா? So it got its name as a legendary islands of the Atlantis. இதோட சைஸ் எவ்வளவு? இதான் என்னது செகண்ட் லார்ஜஸ்ட் ஓஷன் சொன்னேன் அப்படி தானே. 110,06,400 square kilometers are there. See, it is the world busiest oceans and supports a huge amount of international trade. இங்கே தான் என்னது இருக்குது, லார்ஜ் நேச்சுரல் போர்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது, ஹார்பர்ஸ் இருக்குது. இது வந்து அட்லாண்டிக் ரீஜில் பக்கத்தில் என்ன செய்யுது, ஒரு மவுண்டன் இருக்குது. சரியா? The several high peaks which forms the islands in the middle of the Atlantic. So Iceland is one of the such islands. So important ports also there. Portugal இருக்குது, லிப்ஸான், மான்ட்ரியல் கனடாவில் இருக்குது, நியூயார்க்கில் இருக்குது. Now we are going to see the Indian Ocean, third ocean. Okay, the Indian Ocean is the largest ocean on the earth's surface. It is covered of the area 70.56 million. So it's named after India. It is yes triangular in the shape. அது எப்படி இருக்குமா, இந்தியன் ஓஷன் வந்து ட்ரையாங்குலர் மாடல் இருக்கும். இதோட பவுண்டாக இருக்கும் ஆஃப்ரிக்கா, வெஸ்ட்டில் இருக்க ஆஃப்ரிக்காவிலையும், நார்த் இருக்க ஏஷியாலையும், ஈஸ்டில் இருக்க ஆஸ்திரேலியாலாம் என்ன செய்தோம் பவுண்டாக இருக்கும். அந்தமான், நிக்கோபார், லக்ஷதீப், மாலத்தீவ், ஸ்ரீலங்கா, மைட்ரிஸ், ரியோன்ஸ், all the islands are located in the Indian Oceans. So Malacca Strait connects the Indian Oceans and the Pacific Oceans. See, it is located on the north. It boundly completed by the Asia and therefore does not open the Arctic Oceans. So this is the largest oceans. See, this is the third largest oceans. See, it occupies 20% of water on the earth. So this only oceans that is named after a country, Indian பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. சரியா? இது வந்து what we say, the facts about the Indian Ocean means that ocean is a triangular shape. Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal is a part of the oceans seas, Indian Oceans to its north. Okay, Clark Strait is connects the Bay of Bengal of the Parkway. The Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea, Persian Gulf, Red Sea is one of the marginal seas of the Indian Ocean. So the Trava Trench is the 7,725 is the deepest point in the Indian Ocean. Now we are going to see about the Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean surrounds the continent of the Antarctica and is enclosed by the 60 degrees Celsius latitude. Okay, this surrounds the content of the Antarctica. இது வந்து content Southern Ocean ஓட contentல என்ன செஞ்சிருக்கோம் surrounds இருக்கும். It forms the merging of the southern parts of Pacific, Antarctic and Indian Ocean. So it is the deepest point is the Sandwich Trench. So it is bordered by the southern parts of the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian Ocean. So I said yes. So lots of the seas also in this ocean is there. Ross Sea, Middle Sea, Davis Sea. Then Island also is there near located. Farewell Island, Bowman Island, Hart Island are some of the islands located in this ocean. So water in this ocean is very cold. Much of the covered by the sea ice. So this is deepest point in this ocean. We can say South Sandwich Trench with the depth of 7,235. Okay. Now Arctic Oceans. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest oceans. Okay. It is the northernmost oceans. It lies between the Arctic Circle around the North Pole and remains frozen for most of the year. So important ports also is there in the Russia, Canada. The Arctic is connected to the Pacific by the narrow stretch of shallow water body, bring string we can say. Okay. So the Norwegian Sea, Greenland Sea, Siberian Sea, Barents Sea is one of the marginal seas of these oceans. Greenland, New Siberian Island, Novaya Zimla Island, all this island is located in the near the Arctic Ocean. So the North Pole is situated in the middle of the Arctic Ocean. Eurasian Basin is the one of the deepest point in the Arctic Oceans. So Eurasian Ocean உடைய depth எவ்வளவு 5,449. See, answer the following questions in detail. Okay. First question, mention the classification of landforms. Write it, children. Take your book. Always while you write the classwork, you want to write the question first. See the question from your book, then you start to write. Okay. Answer the following questions in detail. Mention the classification of landforms. land L போட்டதுக்கு I போட்டுச்சு. Answer. Remaining also is that this is the first landform. 3 landform you want to write. Write it fast. Three landforms we want to write. So you write it. Okay, children, write neatly. Did you finish? Same answer only. Okay, second point this is little big only. I can't do anything, so that's why I gave to write. Write it, children. Write fast. Second order and forms. Third order is there, okay? First we finish second order and write the third order. Write it fast. This much is the third landform. Write fast, write it fast, write neatly. Now second question, okay? Write a note on plateaus. பீடபூமியை பற்றி எழுதுன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. சரியா? Write it. Write children, write it fast. Six points are there. Okay, you finish it. Did you finish? Okay, today we wrote 2 questions. Yeah, studied today itself. Okay, balance 3 questions are there. We can write in the next class, next video. Okay, next class. Okay, children. Now turn to the page 187. Turn to the page number 187. Activity is the second one. Activity. Give examples for the following using an atlas. That you want to write. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, children, this 4 you want to write. What is the bay? Examples. Okay, bay means what? Gulf, island, straits. See, bays means what? It's a broad inland of the seas where the land curves inwards. Trench, peninsula. What is that? The examples are there. You can write it. Okay, children. Thank you, children. We will meet in the next class.